We apologize in the hitch of that particular video. President Akufo-Addo has sent the strongest indication yet about Ghana's stance regarding the newly developed vaccine for the novel coronavirus. In the U.S., some healthcare workers started administering the first shots of the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccines, which have been approved as efficient, with other countries placing huge volumes of orders. The Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency of the United Kingdom has also made strides in that regard. In his 20th address to the nation on measures taken to fight the spread of COVID-19 in Ghana, President Akufo-Addo said getting a vaccine into Ghana will serve as a boost in the country's fight against the pandemic.
Fellow Ghanaians, the recent news of emergency approval of COVID-19 vaccines by the Food and Drugs Administration of the United States of America and the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency of the United Kingdom provide considerable optimism and hope for the world in our battle to defeat the pandemic. Ghana, I assure you, is not going to be left behind in having access to the vaccines. I'm aware of the anxieties relating to the safety and efficacy of newly developed vaccines. Government will ensure that the COVID-19 vaccines to be deployed in the country are effective and are safe. To this end, I've put together a team of experts from the relevant institutions and agencies who are working assiduously towards the procurement and deployment of the vaccines in Ghana. The briefings held by the Ministry of Information will keep the nation updated on this matter. Until then, and with barely a week to the Christmas festivities, which bring in its wake family reunions, parties, and many social and religious gatherings, I urge all of us to err on the side of caution and observe the COVID-19 safety protocols, no matter where we find ourselves. The dynamics of the virus has taught us that if you must host or attend such events, they are best held safely outdoors or in very well-ventilated halls, rather than in closed, air-conditioned spaces. Even when organized outdoors, there must be adequate spacing for the maintenance of social distancing. Organizers of such events, public or private, should ensure the presence of Veronica buckets, soap, and sanitizers, and must insist that patrons use them as frequently as possible. I entreat all persons with underlying ailments such as hypertension, diabetes, chronic liver disease, and asthma to pay particular attention to their health during the festive season.
The president also mentioned that the country's land and seas borders remain closed. You're watching News Desk with me, Bernice Abubedulan.